Hello guys, welcome to another video from Forex. I hope you guys are doing well. First of all guys, I can see many of you watching my video but you are not subscribing the channel. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe so I can stay motivated, because it's very important for me that you like the video. Well guys, today I will show you a beautiful trade setup that I recently executed on Nasdaq. NQ1, that's the Nasdaq 100. As you can see guys, here we are right now in the 3 months chart. On the 3 months chart, we had an all-time high. This was the all-time high right here, and then market suddenly dropped from this area, okay, from that all-time high. Let me just, okay, so market dropped from that all-time high. Now as you can see, when market dropped, it actually removed SCP, this one here. So it removed a demand zone, opposite demand zone. There was a buying, market was going up. It's like rally, then we had a base, and then we have a rally, then sudden drop. So once market drop, it actually removed this one, okay, this one here. So on that 3 months, once price dropped, I actually drew this order block, right here, this red area, okay. So I drew this. So once, and after I drew this, I also take, once market fall here and then market went up, these two candle, one and these two bullish candle. Let me just clean it again. So when market went up with these two candle, of course I also bought, until the supply area, this red area. But this is not today's topic. Today's topic is how I sold recently. So from this red area, I went, when price actually reached to this red area, 3 months supply zone, I went to weekly, okay. Let me just clean it first because it's too messy. So now I am in the weekly chart. As you can see here, I'm in the weekly chart, and in that weekly we had a new imbalance from that 3 months supply zone. So this was our order block right here, and it dropped with 3 candle, strong candle, 1 2 3 strong candle. These are ERC candle, full volume candle. But not only that, it actually removed a opposite imbalance. It's a rally, then we have a base, then we have a rally, right? So when it dropped, it actually removed at opposite side of imbalance or opposite side demand. So now this yellow zone here, it became our point of interest on the weekly. So now let's go forward, and now what we're gonna do is just we're gonna wait for the price to come back into this yellow area. I know you can say that it's a long wait, but guys, I have like 50 pairs, so I'm not just waiting. This is not only my pairs. I'm just not only waiting to trade this pair. When it arrives, I can see that because I check my market every 8 to 12 hours, so I can see that when it arrived, okay. I check like the market every 8 to 12 hours, like for 10 minutes. I know my setups. I have already drawn all the levels on the weekend, so on the weekdays just a little bit of work. So when price came into this area here, I went down to 4-hour chart, okay. Let me just do that from here, okay. Okay, that how it looked like. Now all I'm gonna do is wait for a strong impulse. I'm just gonna wait for a strong impulse, red candle, to the downside, so I can buy, I can sell the market. I can see that sellers are there. Okay, let's go forward. There was no imbalance here. There was, see here, it's a drop, then we have a rally, and then we have this one here. Okay, we had this. I'm not so good at finding the colors. Anyway, guys, so here was that this order block here, and market actually gap up. Market was here, because I use the original Nasdaq chart. So when market actually opened next at 12 o'clock, market closed here at 8 o'clock European Standard Time, and then when market opened, it opened up. Okay, so I sold here first. I sold here. That was our first sell. Now let's see, and as you can see, this trade here was a loss. Okay, guys, this trade here was a loss. And now we go forward. And then now we had a second imbalance. Okay, guys, just right here. Because this area is too big, so I actually, I didn't do like this because I wanted to cut the area a little shorter. So I placed another order here. And there was a loss as well. Okay, guys, so there was a loss. Okay, and now we had another area right here, new imbalance just right there. But here was the problem. Price actually never came back, after this new imbalance, strong imbalance. I knew that something, Nasdaq was going to do something like that, but price never came back to this area. Instead, price actually made a new imbalance just right here. Okay, just look at the move. The move was so strong. It was a drop, then we have a, it's a kind of tricky, it's not a CP, but it's a belly. So we had a peak right here. Okay, so what I did after this candle here, I actually placed a trade. So I actually placed a trade exactly like that. And I'm gonna hold this trade up to 9 hour. Okay, 9 hour, because I'm gonna hold this trade after 9 hour because I can see in the 4 hour time frame we have this beautiful level of demand. Okay, so that was our demand. I know that's a weekly, but market actually can, reverse from this area here. So now let's go forward, and as you can see, my trade was executed. And now let's forward, and as you can see, I made actually 9R. Okay, so guys, now if you made here 9R, and you had two loss 1, loss 2, so -2, so you made actually 7R. Okay, guys, now guys, if you was afraid and you took only this trade and this trade, and you didn't took this trade, then you didn't make any money. So you have to be very consistent in taking your trades. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.